man, not allergies again. Dude, you have a kitten sneeze. Bakugo, I say this with all the respect in my heart. That is so cute. Okay, screw both of you. It's just seasonal allergies. Everyone sneezes, okay? Aw, but who else has such a cute sneeze? Wait a minute. I bet Midoriya has a kitten sneeze. Aw, what if he sneezes like a little bunny? I can see him doing that. No. No, it's nowhere close. Well, you don't like anything about Midoriya, so what would you know? Oh, there he is! Midoriya, over here! Oh, hey guys! How you doing? Oh! Oh my god. I tried to warn you. Come on!